If you're trying to get a mortgage in the UK with bad credit, the first thing to know is that it's still possible, but you'll likely need to prepare more carefully. Lenders want to see that you can manage money responsibly, even if your past record isn't perfect. Start by improving your credit score before applying again. This won't happen overnight, but small steps can make a big difference over time. Make sure you're registered to vote so your address is confirmed on the electoral roll. Go through your credit report and correct any mistakes that could be holding you back. If there's any sign of fraud, report it immediately so it doesn't count against you. Paying bills on time is essential. Even one missed payment can harm your chances. If you have outstanding loans or credit card balances, try to reduce them before applying for a mortgage. Also, close any credit cards or bank accounts you're not using, as these can sometimes be seen as unnecessary risk by lenders. If you're unsure where you stand, you can ask for a mortgage agreement in principle. This involves a soft credit check, which won't harm your score or be visible to other lenders. It gives you an idea of whether you're likely to be approved and lets you spot any issues before making a full application. The goal is to show the lender that, despite past credit problems, you're now in control of your finances. A consistent track record of managing money well can help you find a lender willing to work with you, even if your score isn't perfect yet.